Welcome back to Moto Market Explorer. Today we're looking at 15 classic motorcycles for sale in the USA, featuring real listings, real prices, and true vintage character. Number 1. 1974 BMW R60/6, Reynoldsburg, Ohio, $3,500. The BMW R60/6 represents everything riders admire about classic German engineering. This 1974 example features BMW's legendary air-cooled two-cylinder Boxer engine, designed for smooth power delivery and long-distance reliability. With fewer than 22,000 miles showing, this bike remains impressively original, which is increasingly rare in today's vintage market. The R60/6 was built during BMW's transition into modern touring motorcycles, offering excellent balance, predictable handling, and a reputation for mechanical longevity. This example has been fully serviced and remains in very good condition, making it a strong candidate for a rider who wants to enjoy a vintage bike without constant wrenching. At this price point, it offers outstanding value for collectors or enthusiasts seeking a classic European touring motorcycle that still feels usable and refined today. Number 2. 1973 Honda CL175 Scrambler, Bensenville, Illinois, $2,300. Honda's CL175 Scrambler is a lightweight classic that blends street manners with off-road styling. This 1973 model stands out for its originality, retaining factory paint, correct parts, and a clean overall presentation that reflects careful ownership. Powered by a reliable 175cc twin-cylinder engine, the CL175 is known for its smooth power delivery and friendly riding nature. It features both kick and electric start, making it convenient and approachable for riders new to vintage motorcycles. Garage-kept and well-maintained, this bike starts easily and runs strong, offering a fun, stress-free vintage ownership experience. It's an excellent choice for collectors, casual riders, or anyone wanting a smaller classic that still carries strong historical appeal. Number 3. 1974 Harley-Davidson Shovelhead, Joliet, Illinois, $7,500. The Shovelhead era marks one of the most iconic chapters in Harley-Davidson history, and this 1974 example showcases why. Featuring a professionally rebuilt engine by Calbos in Joliet, this bike has barely been broken in since the rebuild, with documentation and receipts available. The Shovelhead is celebrated for its unmistakable sound, strong torque, and timeless presence. This particular motorcycle benefits from significant mechanical work already completed, allowing a new owner to enjoy the experience without taking on a full restoration project. For riders who want a classic Harley that blends authentic character with improved reliability, this Shovelhead represents a solid and well-sorted opportunity. Number 4. 1982 Suzuki GS650L, Madison, Wisconsin, $700. At just $700, this 1982 Suzuki GS650L stands out as one of the most affordable classic motorcycles currently available. Despite its low price, the bike runs and shifts well, with only minor cosmetic flaws, such as small dents in the fuel tank. The GS650L features a smooth inline-4 engine known for durability and ease of maintenance. With approximately 20,000 miles, it remains well within the lifespan these engines are famous for. This bike is ideal for someone looking for a budget-friendly entry into vintage ownership, a reliable rider, or a platform for customization without a heavy financial commitment. Number 5. 1972 Bultaco Alpina, Plymouth, Michigan, $2,500. The Bultaco Alpina is a classic Spanish off-road motorcycle with deep roots in trials and trail riding. This 1972 example remains in better than good condition for its age and benefits from a new OEM carburetor. Known for its lightweight design and responsive power, the Alpina was built to handle rough terrain with ease while remaining approachable for casual trail use. This bike runs and drives well, making it a strong candidate for vintage off-road enthusiasts or collectors of European dirt bikes. While it does not have a Michigan title, it includes a valid bill of sale, which is common for vintage off-road machines of this era. Number 6. 1982 Kawasaki KZ1100, Pendleton, Indiana, $3,400. This 1982 Kawasaki KZ1100 has been styled to resemble the iconic Eddie Lawson replica, giving it an aggressive and unmistakably vintage superbike look. Powered by a large displacement inline-4 engine, the KZ1100 delivers strong performance and smooth highway capability. With around 20,000 miles, this bike offers a solid balance between use and longevity. The KZ series is widely respected for its reliability and mechanical simplicity, making ownership relatively straightforward for a vintage machine. At this price, it appeals to riders who want classic Japanese muscle with visual presence and everyday usability. Number 7. 1964 Triumph T20 SR Tiger Cub, Louisville, Kentucky, $5,000. The Triumph Tiger Cub is a beloved small-displacement British motorcycle, and this 1964 T20 SR is a standout example. Recently restored with attention to authenticity, it remains as close to stock as possible while benefiting from modern reliability improvements. This bike includes a clean Kentucky title, a certificate of dating from the Tiger Cub Collectors Club, and documented history tracing back to its original sale in 1964. The restoration focused on preserving originality while ensuring the bike remains enjoyable to ride. Perfect for shows, collections, or light cruising, this Tiger Cub offers charm, history, and strong collector appeal. Number 8. 1980 Yamaha SR500, Clay City, Indiana, $3,000. The Yamaha SR500 is famous for its simplicity, torque-rich single-cylinder engine, and timeless design. This 1980 example has been tastefully converted into a cafe racer, featuring fresh paint, upgraded lighting, and subtle custom touches. The SR500's kickstart engine delivers a raw mechanical riding experience that many enthusiasts actively seek. This bike comes with a box of original parts, giving the next owner flexibility to return it to stock or continue refining the cafe build. It's a lightweight, engaging classic that rewards riders who appreciate mechanical purity. Number 9. 1970 BSA Royal Star 500, Kankakee, Illinois, $3,500. This 1970 BSA Royal Star 500 is a remarkable time capsule, remaining largely untouched for over 4 decades. Aside from the handlebars, it retains original components, including its factory tires, and has been stored rather than restored. The engine, transmission, and brakes are free, making it an excellent candidate for a sympathetic recommissioning rather than a full rebuild. With original paperwork dating back to 1971, this bike carries significant historical value. For collectors who appreciate originality and preservation, this BSA offers a rare opportunity. Number 10. 1971 Honda CB350K3, Rallsville, North Carolina, $5,000. The Honda CB350 is often considered one of the most important motorcycles ever produced, and this K3 example reflects that legacy perfectly. Built in late 1970 and titled as a 1971, it has been carefully restored with thoughtful upgrades while retaining original paint and character. Modern improvements such as electronic ignition, upgraded carburetors, and refreshed components make it reliable and enjoyable without sacrificing authenticity. The bike runs exceptionally well and presents beautifully. This CB350 is ideal for collectors or riders seeking a dependable vintage motorcycle with proven history. Number 11. 1977 Harley-Davidson Sportster 1000, Arcanum, Ohio, $3,500. This 1977 Sportster 1000 retains much of its original character, including factory decals that remain in good condition. Having spent time in storage, it presents a solid foundation for either light recommissioning or continued preservation. The Ironhead Sportster is known for its raw feel and unmistakable personality. This example includes most original components aside from the exhaust, offering authenticity with minor customization potential. It's a practical entry into classic Harley ownership at a reasonable price. Number 12. 1978 Suzuki GS, Warren, Indiana, $1,700. This 1978 Suzuki GS offers strong value as a ready-to-ride classic. With under 19,000 miles, it has received recent maintenance, including fresh fluids, new spark plugs, serviced forks, and a healthy battery. The bike runs and rides well, requiring no immediate work. Its clean Indiana title and firm price make it a straightforward transaction for someone seeking a dependable vintage rider. An excellent choice for those who want classic looks without project-level commitment. Number 13. 1973 Triumph TR5T Trophy Trail, Brooklyn, Wisconsin, $3,200. The Triumph TR5T Trophy Trail blends British road performance with light off-road capability. This example has undergone extensive recommissioning after decades of inactivity, addressing common issues associated with long-term storage. With rebuilt systems, refreshed suspension, and a clear title, this bike is now ready for regular use. The TR5T's unique design makes it one of Triumph's most interesting models from the era. It's a versatile and historically significant machine for enthusiasts who enjoy something a little different. Number 14. 1976 Yamaha XS650, Farmington Hills, Michigan, $2,900. The Yamaha XS650 is a cornerstone of vintage Japanese motorcycles, and this 1976 example remains all original and unrestored. With just over 15,000 miles, it has been carefully maintained within the same family for decades. Known for its strong parallel twin engine and balanced handling, the XS650 continues to be popular among both riders and builders. This bike runs well and needs nothing, making it an increasingly rare find. It's a perfect blend of originality, reliability, and usability. Number 15. 1980 Harley-Davidson Ironhead Sportster, Winona, Minnesota, $1,950. Closing out the list is this 1980 Ironhead Sportster Bobber. Kickstart only and mostly complete, it represents a classic Harley platform with strong customization potential. While it hasn't been started in a couple of seasons and will need basic recommissioning, it comes with a clean title and solid fundamentals. For builders or riders looking for an authentic Ironhead experience, this bike offers excellent value. It's a classic project with serious character. That's today's lineup from Moto Market Explorer. Which classic motorcycle would you ride home? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.